How to find PayPal account ID app. Hello and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. To find the PayPal ID of your account, first of all open PayPal mobile app in your mobile device. After you log in, you should see the main screen. It shows your debit card current balance and your credit card current balance. Below you should see recent transaction. To find account ID, tap on profile icon in the top right corner. On the profile screen, you can see your name and below there is an account ID that starts with a sign. Tap on the edit button and on the edit profile screen, you cannot change your PayPal username. However, you can change your location and information about you. And that is how you can find your PayPal ID for your account. That's it guys. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.